Remove the handle base plate and support it with one hand to prevent it from falling. Disconnect the wiring and remove the fixing screws to take out the handle. Reinstall in sequence.